In this video, I will show you how to use the group by in the Cross-Project Gantt Chart report or any of the Cross-Project Gantt Charts in portfolio and program views. It works the same way. So here we are, we have the Cross-Project Gantt Chart. We've got the whole portfolio showing. I can scroll up and down here. It's defaulting to now. You can see if I go to the left, I have some projects that are in the past and some in the future. We're showing a month scale right now. And if I want to do a group by, I'm just going to come in here to the filters. I'm going to run down to the group by and subtotals, which is the same as any other report really. And I'm going to choose company here. So I'd like to group by company, hit add, then run report. And now the Gantt chart is grouped by company. So Acme, Athletics, and I can open and close the companies I want to see or not see. So if I want to close Global X, I can do that. And this allows me to group these projects, cross projects by company, or you could do it by type or by department or any other grouping, by portfolio, by program. So this works the same way regardless of what you choose to group by, but that's how you set up a group by on the Cross-Project Gantt chart. I'm gonna remove that group by and flatten it back out, and that's how you change that. It's really that straightforward.